Judy Davis says she paid Corey Dyer $5,000 to market her beauty pageant coaching program. Amy claims Corey barely did anything.
What I want you to do is show me what you did for her between October 1st, 2018 and today. What you did for her, what your marketing company did for her, how it took her.
It's 3:20.
Put up one at a time.
Okay, so
Did they just put the time in
here's the first
Eastern?
one. We were prepped and ready to have her come in and to start filming her. She said
No.
she got
Company did for her. Do is show me
Davis says she
Oh, at 4:12.
and the amount of $5,000 of a refund. We're done. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
This case is concluded. Parties are excused.
You can't doubt Judge Judy. I mean.